So hello guys, welcome sa ating gagawin ngayon which is yung networking ports and protocols. So okay, sa ating step 1, um, type natin sa ating search field, Wireshark. Okay, and next is sa under ng capture menu, double click natin ito. And sa taskbar, sa search, open natin si CMD. Okay, so next step is let's type natin ping 192.168.0.1, enter. Okay, okay, good. Now, next step is punta ulit tayo kay Wireshark and click natin tong red box na ito to stop yung capturing ng packets. And sa may apply a display filter, type natin ICMP. Press enter. Now, sa ating Wireshark, select the first packet with a source of 192.168.0.3, which is ito. And expand natin yung Internet Control Message Protocol. Lagi dito, ping utilizes the ICMP rather than a specific port for communication, as shown when a ping command is initiated. The sender source 192.168.0.3 generates an ICMP and echo. And yan. IP address, the target device, then response yun. Okay. Two devices. Close the Wireshark window. Quit without saving. And close the command prompt window. Next, conduct a DNS query. Again, punta ulit tayo kay Wireshark and double click ulit natin ito. And then, open ulit natin si CMD. So, type natin is nslookup ACIDC01. Press enter. Okay. Sa ating taskbar, balik tayo ulit kay Wireshark. And select ulit natin itong red box. Now, sa Wireshark natin, sa ating apply a display filter, type natin DNS. Press enter. Now next, sa Wireshark, select natin again. First naman. Yan. 192.168.0. Ito ulit, under the source. And expand natin yung user datagram protocol. And let's close the Wireshark. And let's close the CMD prompt. Now sa ating task number 3, open ulit natin si Wireshark. And under the capture menu, double click ulit natin ito. Oops, mali. And open ulit natin si CMD. Now, ito-type natin ito. SSH space admin at 192.168.0.5. Okay, sa ating next, anong nangyayari? Dito ulit. Select natin Microsoft Edge. Tayo kay Wireshark. Alright. Naglalag na siya. Okay. Now, type natin dito sa apply a display filter. HTTP. Stop na pala natin ito. HTTP. Okay. 192.168. Pa natin transmission control protocol. Okay. And then, let's close the Wireshark. Quit without saving. And let's close the Microsoft Edge. Good. Next. Conduct a network port scan. So, ating first step is open the command prompt, which is the CMD. And then, type natin nmap space 192 0.168.0.0/24. Okay. So, habang naghihintay lang natin siya guys, na lumabas lahat. Yun. So, pag lumabas na siya, close na natin yung ating command prompt. And up to the next. That's all.